We are now going to look at the different templates that Canva has in store for you. So here you're on the home screen and your dashboard from Canva. And if you start at the top menu, you can click on templates where you see the different images and categories. So for example, if you know that you want to design for your social media accounts, you can see that it has Instagram posts, stories, Facebook, YouTube channel art, LinkedIn banners, and much more. If you want to create something personal, DIY, things such as invitations, Christmas cards, or anything else, you can just scroll down and see the keywords that are interesting. And you have other categories such as business, marketing, and so on. So the good thing is also that sometimes you might not have a clear idea. So for example, if you're a small business owner and you don't know a lot of marketing, if you click here, then Canva can be a good area to know what you might still need to create for your business. So let's say you are creating infographics, then just by clicking through this, you can be reminded that it might be a good idea to create some newsletters or brochures for your business. And then you can just go through all the sections to find different templates. So that's when you click here, the menu on top. Of course, you can also use the search bar. It already says search thousands of templates, choose from thousands of free ready-to-use templates for your next project. So that's very good to know because this is a free Canva course. It's a course that shows you how you can create personal or business designs with the free version. So the first thing was clicking here on top to see the different categories. The second would be to use the search bar, for example, by just seeing what the algorithm already shows you. Or of course, you can just enter TikTok, for example, and then go to TikTok videos, backgrounds, or whatever you are thinking of designing. Then, if you are more a visual person, if you scroll down, you are going to see different options structured with pictures. So presentations, Instagram posts, and by scrolling to the left with your mouse, you're actually seeing all the things that Canva has in store for you on the right side. Then the algorithm already gives you some options you may like, and then you can just click through and scroll down. And here you see all the options. Of course, if you know, okay, I am looking for Instagram stories, you can go to see all and then just focus on Instagram story templates, which means that all other things are already in the background. And here you can see it has more than 9,000 templates. So what you do is you just go down until you find something that you like. Of course, you can also click on one of the templates. So we're going to do that now. And then it says use this template. And now we are in the creator dashboard and we see it all says free, free, free on the right side. What you can do is you can now click on the image to create, but I'm going to show that to you in the next lecture. Yeah, but just to give you a quick idea, you can now change the color, maybe change the text without having to do a lot because Canva is already offering you templates. Another way how you can do that is you can go to Home, go to Create a Design, and we were saying that we want to create an Instagram story. So we're going to click on it here. Again, we're in the creator dashboard, but we do not have a template yet. So if you look at this side panel, you see that it says templates, uploads, and so on. In this template area, I can either search templates, so I could say pink, for example, to see different pink template ideas. If I know that I'm going to do a story that has to be pink or feminine, or if my brand colors are pink. So that was just an idea by using the search template. I can also go to recently used, and then I see two options here. So I can just click on it and then I have something to work with. Or if I scroll down, Canva gives me options. So for you, which means it now thinks that I might like these designs. So by clicking on see all, I can see all the template ideas that are a little bit similar in style. So now because I chose pink, they're all very feminine. And by clicking on this X, I go back to the initial place where I started. And then I can just scroll down. So there are always topics that are trending. So now it says coronavirus Instagram story because I'm filming this in spring 2021. So obviously Corona is a topic that some people are using in their designs. And Canva, the algorithm, will always give us topics that are trending. So that's one thing I wanted to show you. Now I'm just going back. So just to recap, we have recently used, we have for you, we have topics that are trending, and then we have different categories. So for example, here we have newsroom. This or that is also something people like to do in the Instagram stories. So I'm just going to show that to you. In a sense, this means it's also trending. Then we have ask me 3 questions, quiz. So here you just see a few things that Canva thinks people like to use in their Instagram story. Instagram story highlight covers. Yeah, if you've seen that wonderful influencers that you follow always have nice matching images for their Instagram highlights, they might have gotten them from Canva, and this is the free version that I'm showing you. So just scroll down to the bottom and you will see what Canva has in store for you. And as I said before, by clicking on the right side, the right bottom, you can see they are all free. Sometimes you will see a pro sign, but honestly speaking, there's so many beautiful free templates that you do not need to pay. If you want to pay for something like this one, for example, you just click on it. And then if you go to download, it's okay. Now it doesn't work. Let me see again. So let's go here. So this is a video download. I'm not really sure why it's not working now. Normally it's going to show you how much you need to pay for it. Okay, but this is what I wanted to show you. This is how you use the templates. Okay, I didn't realize for a second that I was actually logged into my Pro account. So now I'm going to show you how it looks like when you want a Pro template, and then you can decide if you want to pay for it or just ignore it and look for a free version. So this one is one where, as you can see, if I'm scrolling through this, it says free. Here it doesn't say anything, and here it says free again. So sometimes it would not show free, or it will show the crown and the pro word. So just by clicking on it, it is in your dashboard area. And then if you click on download, you're going to see that it says download with Canva Pro, and it's telling you how much you need to pay. So actually this is a premium image where for one design only, for using it once, you're paying €1. And then either you pay once or you decide to purchase the Pro version. So what you can do is, let's say you want this text, but you don't want the image. You can just go on the X to delete the image. If you don't want this background, you can just look for a different background color. So for example, we're going to choose this. And then just by going to photos, you can drag, and you can see it already says free. You can just drag a new image into it. And now, of course, the font doesn't match anymore. So you could change something, or maybe change the color. So I'm going to use black and say, leave your comfort zone. Now it says remove watermarks. So that means something here is still a paid version. I'm just going to use the X command. And now this is free. Comfort zone. Then I'm going to align it. Download. Now you can see it says download and it doesn't say pro, it doesn't say pay. So that means you are safe to go. That's how you choose the templates. And as I said before, there's no reason why you would want to pay for a spectacular image, because if you just scroll through the photos, and even if you scroll to the videos, as I can show you here, it all says free. Sometimes there are images that are going to cost something, but in the lectures that I'm going to share with you in the course, you are going to learn how you can look for free, copyright-free images and videos so that you do not need to pay a cent for your design. So I hope you like these lectures, and I'll see you in the next one.